Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we will be discussing details on how to make a mermaid coils, a very beautiful mermaid coils. Now, what you need to do after braiding your hair, you will pick out some quantity of extension that you want to twist. Mind you, you are twisting, or if you are twisting on a full hair, you have to start section the hair small small so that you get a very good coils. Now, this is a practical video. I'm trying to show you how to get the coils. So now I have just three extension here with me. What you need to do is, after brushing it out, I've brushed this extension out very well. What you need to do is, I will take my flexing rod, then I will clip it with the extension. And mind you, always remember that each time you want to get a coils for extension, twist your extension to the left part of your hand, not the right part of your hand. By the time you take it to the right part of your hand, you will not get the right coils at all. In fact, sometimes you will not even get the coils, it's something else that you get. So the best result is twisting it to the left part of your hand. Now, after twisting some part of the extension, you start rolling it on the flexing rod. Mind you, the more you are rolling it, the more you keep twisting it. Make it very tight if you want to get a good result. The more you are rolling it, the more you are twisting it, just the way it is showing in this video. Just as I say, guys, you roll it to get a good result. Yes, you keep rolling it until you get to the final stage. Make sure you roll everything to the tip the way I'm rolling it in this video. And I will keep saying it. If your rolling is not tight on the flexing rod or any tools you choose to use for your rolling, you will never get a good result. Yes, you can roll it on any other tools that you have, but in this video I'm using a flexi rod. Roll it very tight and make sure you roll it to the end of the extension. You can see how it is here. I've rolled it to the end of the extension. I have to fold the down of this flexi rod so that I will not be scared of anything. Next step is to get your hot water ready. Already, before I start applying my conditioner in this cup, my hot water is ready. Put your conditioner because this will help your coils to be shining and it will look very firm. It's very necessary you put a deep-in conditioner or any conditioner that you have available in a hot water while dipping your mermaid coils inside. You can use any other method anyway, but this method I'm using a conditioner with hot water to get my coils. This is very affordable. Allow the coils to stay in the hot water for some minutes. Don't just put it immediately and bring it out. But allow it to stay for some minutes the way I'm doing in this video. So now you can see the hot water have circulated on the hair. I'm trying to show you that my conditioner was enough for this water. It looks very white. After that, you use your towel to dry it. Use towel to dry up all the water from the extension before you lose it out. After drying it, you lose it out. If you have a sprint gel, you spray on the coils. If you don't have a sprint gel, you can allow the coils to dry naturally before losing it. So after putting my sprint gel, I will now gently and softly loosen the extension from each other. I will separate it rather from each other. Now, after separating it, my mermaid coils is ready. You can make your own longer. In this video, my extension is not as long as I expected anyway. If you see a long one, that means the extension is very long. You can make your own longer. And while separating your extension, please separate it softly and gently for you to get a better result. Once you have separated it, your mermaid coils is ready. Thanks for watching to this stage, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscribe for more tutorials and share this video to get to other small beginners like you so that they can benefit from it. See you in my next video. Thank you.